What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm about to introduce y'all, how I say it, show you around on my whip this morning. About to give y'all a cold start. Here we go. I'll fix that in a bit, and I'm about to go with my homeboy, and then I'll continue this, what do you call it, walk around, I guess. Peace out. That was 50, god damn it. It was a 60-degree cold start, you know, pretty decent. Anyways, I'll see you on a bit.
Alright, never mind. These screws are fucking shitty, bruh. Hold up the lid, bruh. Get hot, gang.
Damn, my finger.
Hold it more back.
Nah, that's the compa.
Bro, these screws are stripped.
We're gonna be... No, they not. Oh, they look you are. No, they not. Damn, brand new.
Hold up the lip, stupid.
Do I look?
Hold it up more.
Oh, yup. Oh, look, I don't even need that one. Man, this is already a 5-minute video.
Oh, yup. Master Mechanic J right here.
Swear Johnny on the spot, let me hook you up.
I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
Yep, all good.
Brand new.
Not loosey-goosey anymore.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man.
Shut the fuck up.
I wasn't thinking about it
You always
when I
doing
did it.
that
I
shit.
should have said like Burger King.